ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Usumbot mentirang ba kejala ubadairu President ke National People Party Meghalaya State Union uba Prestone tensong. Halo kejing ai por ba arpasau kenta da ke Voice of the People Party benthong biang yaki officer ke Lokayukta ula Bthah kela ya ke VPP bahkan da Pule Bniah ya ke Lokayukta Act. Habakaran ba kila pathai khubor ba Prestone ulong klaim da Pule Bniah ya ke Act tharai kamlong ke babiang but ke rule ru kala kedoshai bagi officer jang ke Lokayukta kendai bet ke officer ke bidang don hakakam.
I think even from the party side we already clarified. I think let them read out the act of the Lokayukta, read out properly, then only you come up with your complaint. Without reading the act, I think it's not fair. And the rules also, which already indicated over there that the officials of Lokayukta should be a working officer. See, you can't say anything, okay? You can't say always anything. But I'm telling you, government side, before doing anything, we have thought it properly 100 times. Be it the political appointment, be it, terminating the contractual staff in any offices, we have done it with due diligence. So therefore, they can say whatever they say, but we also have our own, our own procedures, our own rules. We have to follow that.